Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, according to the available data, the next iPhone SE could get a powerful A18 chipset and Apple Intelligence AI features. New details about the upcoming next generation iPhone SE have surfaced online. The new budget iPhone is expected to feature Apple's latest A18 processor, bringing Apple Intelligence to even budget Apple devices and many other new exciting stuff. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. According to 9to5Mac, ICE Universe, a well-known leaker who has established himself as a reliable source of leaks, has shared the alleged specifications of the 4th generation iPhone SE, which is expected to be announced next year. In addition to the expected modern design in the style of the iPhone 14, Face ID, and a USB-C port, the new iPhone SE may have another surprise. According to the sources, the new iPhone SE will be equipped with an Apple A18 chipset and possibly 6 or 8 GB of RAM. The same chipset will be used in all iPhone 16 models, including the base flagships. Previously, Apple used the same series of chipsets in both Pro and regular models, but with some differences in the CPU and GPU cores. The introduction of Apple Intelligence this year changed. Of the current iPhones, only the models with the Apple A17 Pro chip, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will get the new AI features with iOS 18. That's likely why all new iPhone 16 models will have the A18 chipset. Otherwise, Apple would have to sell new iPhones without access to the latest features, which could make those devices less competitive and less likely to sell. By the way, traditionally the iPhone SE has always received chipsets from the latest iPhone models, so this news does not come as a surprise. Additionally, leaks about the new HomePod with a touchscreen also point to its possible inclusion of the Apple A18 chipset, suggesting that Apple will soon upgrade its budget iPad and iPad mini models with the latest chipset. While Apple Intelligence features won't be available for older devices, all new iPhones and iPads will likely feature AI capabilities. It is expected that the new iPhone SE4 smartphone will officially launch next year, and the price of the smartphone is still unknown. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye.